Yes, sir. It's been a minute. Your boy Credit K back with some more CPN sauce, man. I know you guys love it. Guys and girls, y'all hit me up, man. Y'all messaging me, hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, trying to get all the information. Some of you guys are having success, some of you guys are not. Go back. I got over 5 videos covering CPN information, how to create the CPN from scratch. I got about 3 videos on that, a couple of videos adding trade lines, but now I'm going to really talk about how to add that CPN to public records, get it tri-merged, meaning that it's showing up with all 3 of the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, and we're going to get you in the game. So sit back, relax, take notes, watch this video 3 or 4 times so you understand what's going on. This is too much sauce I'm giving out there. This is stuff I charge people $100 an hour just to do a consultation with. Right now, I'm doing $50 consultation. So speak with me for a whole hour, get the whole breakdown and process from start to finish of how to create a CPN. Get about those nasty apartments. Get out about your mama house, your friend's house. Get your own place. Get your own car. That's what I'm offering. That's some of the packages you can get with my CPN credit profile numbers for educational purposes only. So let's get into it. So once you got your number, I'm going to assume you already went to the Steve Morris site, went to the validator sites, so that is invalid. You want a number that's invalid. Once the number shows invalid on the validator site, that means that it's not being used by anybody else in the country. If it is valid, that means somebody has a number. If it's invalid, that means nobody's using a number. Those are the numbers you want to use for your secondary profile number. So once you have that number that's not valid, and then we're going to come to, let me get everything on the screen for you. And I'm going to come to this website right here, opt out pre-screen. You're going to come down at the bottom, click on there. What we're going to do is opting in. I know it says opt out pre-screen. Don't get it confused. I'm talking fast. If you need help, book a consultation, but do not want to opt in. We want to opt out. Yes, we want to opt out your information. I'm sorry, we want to actually opt in. Let me edit that part out. We actually want to opt in. We only want to opt out if you are repairing your credit. So we want to opt in. Reason we're opting in is because, let's go, Bill. Let me get the full screen on me. The reason we're opting in because no one knows who you are. No one has the information you created. So after you create your CPN number, you got your address, your name, your birthday, your phone number, all the information you want to use, then you come to these other websites like opt out pre-screen and you want to opt in. So it comes to this screen, you put your information, we want to opt in. Now, if you're going through credit repair, you want to get stuff off your credit, then you want to opt out so no one can find you. But we want people to find you. We're trying to get approved for credit. We're trying to get approved for apartments and cars. So we're opting in. Boom, boom. Fill out the information, and that helps you get your information circulated. Same thing with listyourself.net. You want to come to here, individual, listyourself.net. Boom. Put your information in that way. And then last but not least, last one is SageStream. LLC.com, SageStreamLLC.com. This is free game for you guys. If I'm talking too fast, if you can't keep up, go ahead and book a consultation so I can break it down to you in plain English. What we want to do is do an opt-in, and you're going to put your same information like you've been doing on all the other websites. All right. All right. Next, we got airline points. Now, once you do those 3 websites, we're going to work on public records. Those 3 websites help you get into the public records, but these websites are actual public record websites. And what I always use are airline, gas, and hotel rewards websites. So airline rewards, of course, you got American Airlines, United, sign up for their mileage. Delta. Sign up for all the rapid rewards points. You don't need about 9 of these total, not 9 airline, but 9 total. So 3 airline, 3 gas, 3 hotel. Sign up for Hilton, Marriott, Wyndham, and then same thing for gas stations, Pilot J, Shell, Fuel Rewards, Exxon, all the gas station rewards, 7-Eleven. You got all of them. It's real simple. I'm not going to go through that. You guys know how to, sign up for a rewards website. You can download the app if you want to. I wouldn't have 9 different apps on your phone. I'll just sign up through the website. Make sure you get your information in there. Play around with it every now and then. Maybe possibly buy something through the app if you want. Helps you out a little bit better. But that is how you actually add public records. And then, of course, then you want to start getting some inquiries on there. Going to Chase credit card, Capital One credit card, American Express credit card, applying for at least 2 or 3 credit cards. Getting some hard inquiries will help your name and information get out to the credit bureaus as well and help you build up your profile. And I even seen people generate a Credit Karma or Experian profile just off of doing this. Now it's getting harder and harder. Most of the time, and even with my clients, I have to actually add a authorized user trade line first before they can get a credit score and see their profile on Credit Karma or Experian. But there are some people who've gone through this, waited the 3-week, 4-week period that the public records circulate, and they were able to open up a Credit Karma that way. Now, just having a Credit Karma, people, I get this message all the time. People contact me. Just having a freaking Credit Karma account does not guarantee you're going to get approved for anything. You're not going to get approved with anything with a blank credit score. So you have to add trade lines. Once you go through all this, generate the number, find the information you're going to add, then add the information through this method I just showed you in this video. And then you want to start, give some trade lines on your credit report to generate a credit score. So if you don't have a credit score, you're not going to get approved for anything. So yes, you need to start generating now. Capital One, Discover, they may approve you for a secure card where you have to put $200-$300 up front. It's worth it. Go ahead and do it. Establish their profile. But for you guys who are girls who are looking to do things quick, you're going to have to add authorized user trade lines to those CPNs. I recommend adding no more than 3. Some people say add 5 if you want to do it quick. I don't see any positive results with adding 5. 3 at the most. Banks can tell what authorized user trade lines, and they don't weigh those, and they don't let you get approved for much stuff with a bunch of those, other than like a $40,000 car or apartment or a rental property. You can rent property, you can rent apartment, you can get a car. Real easy with 1 and 2, 3 authorized user trade lines, but for the big money, which you guys really, really want, and you get approved for some phones and stuff. But for the big money, which you guys really, really want, you can't get approved for much. Your boy K, I keep it real, I keep it honest, I keep it funky. I'm not selling dreams. I'm not trying to scam you guys. I'm keeping my CPNs at a real affordable price, the consultation at a real affordable price. So message me, hit me up on Credit K on TikTok and Instagram, and we gone, baby. That's it. Try merge. Public records. When you up through the educational purposes only though.